kasngi nakaliang jong ka civil defense and home guard kala pelong ya kata ka mock drill nakabenta kum shibynta ban ai kata ka jing hikai ya ki nong snong jong ka jylla ba kumnu bakin ya dai ialade lada ka wan ka thma menta kasngi ngadon hang ya po Saint Anthony School ha ka ba kila ai ya kata ka jing hikai balada ki wan kum kini ki jingja ha kanu ko rukwam ki khna hi kin yarap lani kin ya dai ialade lait nakani nakaliang joka civil defense kala pelong ro kum kini kijai mock drill hapo umpling bat kum juru hapo mau deng.
Apart from SDRF, fire service is also involved. Fire service will respond in all the districts. Apart from that, we have a quick response team of civil defense and home guards in the districts mobilized by the deputy controller. So they will do minor rescue work once they receive the information from warden service, from the wardens in their locality, because in each locality we have a warden, we have a sector warden, we have a post warden, the division warden. So accordingly, once they receive the information about the incidents in their locality, the deputy controller, the district civil defense control center, they will be activated. So these are the few things that we'll be doing in this mock drill. Then at 6, like I said, 6:30, we'll have the sounding of siren and then blackout exercise. So whoever in the vehicles, the police will do the traffic management and all, but in the vehicle they can have a normal routine. Nobody will be disturbed actually. But whoever walks in the road and stuff like that, they are supposed to cover themselves once they hear the sirens and all. We have already given the instructions, inverters and all. We have requested to switch off, and we request all the citizens actually to cooperate with us and with this drill. You know what happened. India has already struck the terror camps. So it depends now. God knows, it should not escalate. So we are limiting only for this is basically just to check our machineries. We are just checking how where I know there'll be many shortfalls, and we have to learn from the shortfalls. And this is a time to learn. And we haven't had a war for many years, and we forgot about all these things. We forgot about trench. We forgot about air raids. We forgot about what actually happened in 1971. So this is basically just to test our capabilities, civil defense capabilities. So that's why we are not involving everybody right now. But in a second phase, we'll be having a full-scale mock drill, which will involve police, which will involve fire service, which will involve PWD, which will involve medical. All stakeholders will be involved. This is exactly what we are doing, this mock drill, just to check our preparedness. Okay, it has been dormant for many years. So this is exactly what we are doing, just to check how prepared we are, and how good and how functional this civil defense machinery is. We have this SDRF actually with us. Equipment, of course, is not enough. We are in the process of procuring the equipments.